guys, it's Nikki Blassingame here coming to you from nikkiblassingame.com. And I wanted to thank you guys for stopping by to check out my video. Today we're going to talk about the 3 pillars of success in a work at home based business opportunity. This video, guys, is to serve as a guideline to starting a successful home based business and at the same time help you to avoid the pitfalls of wasted time and money. Now, we all know that in this day and age, it is almost impossible to maintain a decent standard of living on one paycheck. And then when you remix that, guys, with this economy, well, it can make for quite a disaster. Now, if you have smaller children, then you really will be able to relate to what I'm about to say. And sometimes it's not always feasible for both mom and dad to work outside the home. And a lot of times, if you look at the least paid parent's salary, you'll realize that with the daycare expenses, the gas, the commute to work, both parents not spending hardly enough time with the children, that it is almost not worth it with both parents working outside the home. And then you guys may soon begin to realize and wonder that if at least one of you guys should start looking for a way to supplement your income that has the ability to actually fully replace it. This exact situation, guys, coupled with my layoff 2.5 years ago, is the exact reason I decided to look for a work at home based business opportunity. Now, home based businesses can benefit you greatly and be extremely profitable if you have the proper knowledge and tools. And if you don't have these 2 items, guys, you can waste an incredible amount of time and or money, which defeats the purpose that you started out with, which is what? To make money and have the time to do the things that you want to do. So now in this video, guys, it is my hope to give the average person like you and I a practical guideline to getting started in any work at home based business opportunity right away and to save you wasted time and money. Now, my experience has shown me that there are basically 3 main pillars or principles of a solid work at home based business opportunity, and you can really apply this, guys, to any home based business. Now, pillar number 1, it must have a minimal startup cost. A business, guys, a true home-based business, guys, that has a high startup cost will typically take a little longer for you to see profit because not everyone will be able to join your opportunity. Granted, you're only looking to work with a select few that are willing to take advantage of a good opportunity, yours, when they see it, but just remember that everyone's circumstances are different and not everyone will be able to come up with large sums of money. The attrition rate also, too, guys, of distributors may be high with companies that have a high entry cost because people are not told the real facts up front and that it takes time to get people into the business. And they're not really aware that more than likely they're going to hear 9 no's before they hear a yes, and that it's purely a numbers game. So they're going to come in with probably false hopes, and it's just going to cause a lot of problems to start. So that's leading me to pillar number 2. It must be an easy to set up system and you must be able to maintain it easily. And of course, it has to be duplicatable. The more complicated your business home model is, guys, no matter what it is, the more likely you're to give up out of sheer frustration before you even see a profit. I mean, a business that is easy to set up, guys, and maintain will give you confidence and a sense of self-accomplishment as you're able to complete each setup step. And if you enjoy wasting a lot of time and effort maintaining a home-based business, you wouldn't be listening to this video right now, right? No, you wouldn't. This is about freeing you to spend time with your family and doing the things that you love, not creating another taskmaster job to replace the current job that you have. Duplication is key as well because when you bring a new distributor aboard or whatever your company calls them, you need to have a simple system that they can plug right into and one that they can plug their people right into and so on and so on. And if your model isn't duplicatable and you don't have a system in place, guys, to create duplication and then automation, I promise you, you are really spinning your wheels. Now, the first 2 pillars that we've just discussed, they're really necessary for the third to occur. And which our third pillar is it must have a quick return on investment. Now, you can spend months, guys, building a home-based business, but if there's really no real profit generated in a reasonable amount of time, people will get frustrated, discouraged, give up, and ultimately quit. And you might be asking yourself, well, Nikki, what is a reasonable amount of time? Well, I would suggest a time frame of weeks, instead of months. Depending on the type of home-based business the people that people actually do. Some of them have a decent return on investment within days. And unbelievable as it may sound, guys, some businesses are set up where you can see profit in as little as 24 hours from startup. Now, that is what I'm talking about. You may be thinking to yourself, Nikki, that's too simple. Well, just let me say this. Within these 3 pillars, guys, I've given you plenty of detail to keep you busy, and I've given you plenty for you to be able to make a really good decision on the next home-based business venture that you decide to jump into. And remember that the business that you choose to start, it should definitely be something that interests you and possibly something that you already have some type of experience in doing. Whatever home-based business you get involved in, guys, you want to make sure that you're able to place a check mark off of these 3 pillars that we've just went over. Do not make the mistake of overcomplicating your efforts, or you will quickly see that you'll get bogged down with a lot of unnecessary wasted time and effort and ultimately end up stuck at your job, which I know you don't want that, and I don't want that for you either. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and these great tips that I've given you today. And I hope to see you over at my blog, NikkiBlassingGame.com. And I'd love for you to come on over and connect with me on Facebook at facebook.com/NikkiBlassingGame. And until next time, thank you guys.